Welcome to Fact Fusion Network, where we dive deep into the wonders of our world. Today, we're exploring one of nature's most fascinating and essential ecosystems, coral reefs. From their role in supporting marine life to protecting coastlines, coral reefs are more important than you might think. Let's dive in. What are coral reefs? Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea. But, what exactly are they? Coral reefs are underwater structures made up of tiny living organisms called coral polyps. These polyps secrete calcium carbonate, which forms the hard, rocky exoskeletons we see. Over time, these structures grow, creating intricate formations that serve as habitats for thousands of marine species. Though they only cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, coral reefs are home to 25% of all marine life. From colorful fish to sharks, sea turtles, and crustaceans, these ecosystems are bustling with biodiversity. Why are coral reefs important to marine life? Coral reefs are like underwater cities. Just as cities provide homes, markets, and protection, coral reefs serve similar purposes for marine creatures. They provide shelter from predators, breeding grounds, and rich feeding areas where various species can thrive. For species like clownfish, groupers, and parrotfish, coral reefs offer a safe place to lay eggs and raise their young. Many marine animals rely on these ecosystems for survival, either directly or indirectly. Without coral reefs, the food chain would be disrupted, impacting everything from the smallest plankton to the largest predators. Coral reefs and coastal protection. But coral reefs don't just protect marine life, they protect us too. Coral reefs act as natural barriers, absorbing the force of waves and storms that would otherwise erode coastlines. They can reduce wave energy by up to 97%, shielding coastal communities from devastating storm surges and flooding. In areas prone to hurricanes, cyclones, and tsunamis, coral reefs play a crucial role in reducing the impact of these natural disasters. Without them, many low-lying islands and coastal regions would be far more vulnerable. Economic and cultural importance. Coral reefs aren't just vital for marine life and coastal protection, they're also essential for human economies. Over 500 million people around the world rely on coral reefs for food, income, and cultural practices. Many coastal communities depend on fishing in these areas, while others benefit from tourism. Reefs generate billions of dollars each year from tourism, fishing, and research. Plus, many coral species are used in medical research, potentially leading to life-saving drugs. Threats to coral reefs. Despite their importance, coral reefs are under severe threat. Climate change, ocean acidification, pollution, and overfishing are all taking a toll. Rising sea temperatures lead to coral bleaching, a process where coral expels the algae it relies on for food, causing it to turn white and die. In fact, some scientists predict that if current trends continue, we could lose up to 90% of coral reefs by 2050. What can we do to protect coral reefs? The good news: we can still make a difference. Conservation efforts like coral farming, creating marine protected areas, and reducing carbon emissions can help coral reefs recover. By practicing sustainable tourism, reducing plastic waste, and supporting environmental policies, we can all play a role in saving these vital ecosystems. Coral reefs are resilient, and with the right actions, they can bounce back. It's up to us to ensure they continue to thrive for generations to come. Coral reefs are more than just underwater wonders, they're crucial to marine life, coastal protection, and even human economies. Let's all do our part to protect and preserve these incredible ecosystems. If you enjoyed this deep dive into coral reefs, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Fact Fusion Network for more exciting content on the wonders of our world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.